Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to install Node.js on your Ubuntu 24.04 server. By the end of this video you'll have it fully installed and running.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
After updating your system, let's install the required components using the following command. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Next, we'll download the official Node.js repository with this command. Now let's install Node.js using the following command. Make sure to check your Node and npm versions using these commands. Now let's move to install Node.js. Use the following command. It is important to install PM2 Process Manager. Use the following command to install it. Next, we start Node.js through PM2 with this command. Enable auto start on system boot using this command. Thanks to this exact command, PM2 will remember to launch Node.js automatically the next time your server reboots. And finally, open your web browser and navigate to your server IP address followed by port 1880. And just like that, you're ready to start working. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.